Okay. Good morning, class. Here again is your lecturer in this course, Miss Santander. This morning, I'm going to introduce a new lesson, integer equivalence classes. Particularly, we're discuss this morning the topic integer modulo n. Okay, what is integer modulo n? Okay. For example, on the board you can see an example. N for integer modulo 12. N is equal to 12. Okay. So here are the listed on the board are the equivalence classes of integer modulo n. It means that on the left you can see the partition of integers. First is the equivalence class 0, partition integer 0. It means that starting from 0, you're going to add multiples of 12. So, starting from 0 to the right, we're going to list all the multiples of 12. And to the left, you're going to subtract 12 from the number to the right. So on the first, you have the equivalence class of 0. So all the multiples of 12 is starting from 0. 0, 12, 24 will be extended infinitely to the right, and 0, negative 12 will be extended infinitely to the left. Then second, the equivalence class 1 with the bracket 1. It means that you will start from 1, going to the left and going to the right. You're going to add 12, starting 1 plus 12, 13 plus 12. Okay, 13 plus 25. And so on. It will extend it infinitely to the left and to the right and to the left. You're going to subtract 12 from 1. So once you're going to subtract 12 from 1, that will give you negative 11. Negative 23 will be extended to the left. Then the equivalence class 11 means you start from number 11, you add 12, 11, you add, of course there's an error here, number 11, then you're going to, so it should supposed to be you start from 11, then 23. No, number 13 is not included there. Okay, number 13 is not included. 11 plus 12, number 13 here is not included here. So 11 plus 12, 23. Then to the right of 23, you'll add 12 again to 23. That will give you 35. And it will be so on infinity to the right. Then to the left of 11, you're going to subtract 12 from 11. That will give you negative 1. And negative 1, you 12, subtract negative 1. 12 to be subtracted from negative 1 will give you negative 13. And it will be infinitely extended to the left. So these are the partition integers or the equivalence classes. These are important concept in integer equivalence. In fact, integer modulo n is one of the equivalence class, one type of integer equivalence classes.